Hey guys, Robert Taylor here from American Trail Products. Today we're going to run you through the installation of our new Jeep Gladiator bed rack. This is our tall series bed rack, so it's about cab height. It's got two different mounting systems, so if you've got the trail rail, or if you don't have the trail rail, no problem, we've got you covered. So the regular bed mount, or the trail rail mount. Let's get started.
If installing directly to the bed, use the bed mount bracket and install the uprights as shown. If installing with the trail rail, slide the mount into position and attach the upright as shown. Now install the side panels at the desired height, leaving the hardware loose to allow for adjustment. Next, install 4 nut plates on each side of the extruded aluminum cross rails. Put cross rails into position and install the hardware. Leave hardware loose at this time. Now install the top rails by aligning the nut plates previously installed. The width of the top rails will be determined by whatever accessories you're mounting to your rack. Now that your install is complete, go back and tighten up all the hardware. American Trail Products offers everything you need to accessorize your new rack. Our awning mounts are universal and made of 3/16 steel, allowing you to mount the awning of your choice. American Trail Products traction board mounts are designed to work with the Max Track and other popular brands. American Trail Products optional inner panels are offered in universal slotted and MOLLE configuration to allow the mounting of anything you desire. American Trail Products' unique bed rack design made mounting the Baja Designs lights quick and easy. Our slotted top rail design makes mounting any rooftop tent very easy. Now get out and adventure.